Linear scales used to detect length are used in coordinate measuring machines, machining centers, so that Kiyohara factory, which is at the center of these advanced technologies, was founded as Japan's first factory specializing in linear scales in 1982. As an earthquake countermeasure, 142 piles were driven to a depth of approximately 19 meters. In areas where precision measurements and processing are performed, vibration countermeasures are taken by cutting off the foundation and separating it. In addition, the floor is a vertical structure with a length of 120 meters, and the layout allows for linear scales, which often have long shapes, to flow in a straight line. From processing and assembly to inspection, packaging, and shipping, this allows for efficient production. The glass scale processing line performs integrated production from glass substrate processing to scale processing, such as sputtering and etching. The scale graduations are processed in a clean room. We perform everything from glass scale cutting to cleaning and sputtering here. Mitutoyo's linear scale is highly accurate and also has excellent environmental resistance, and accurate measurement is possible even when covered with oil. Next, we will introduce the underground research building located 9 meters underground. In the underground research building, important equipment such as the ultra-high precision length measuring machine, Nano Calibration Master 1600, developed in-house, is in operation. This is because there is almost no change in temperature depending on the time of day or season at 9 meters underground, which has little effect on precision processing and measurements. The indoor temperature is maintained at 20 degrees Celsius plus or minus 0.2 degrees Celsius, and the cleanliness is maintained at Class 100. Nano Calibration Master 1600 is installed in a constant temperature room and cannot normally be seen from outside. During measurements, we take precautions such as not turning on the lights to avoid being affected by temperature. Through the development of underground research buildings and high-performance equipment, Mitutoyo possesses world-class technology and continues to evolve on a daily basis, shaping the future of manufacturing through precision measurements. We will create a factory where Mitutoyo's data utilization never stops.